Lawyers often advise their clients to refuse field sobriety tests because these tests can be subjective and may not always accurately determine a person's level of intoxication. Field sobriety tests are designed to assess a person's physical and cognitive abilities to determine if they are impaired due to alcohol or drug consumption. However, there are several reasons why lawyers may recommend refusing these tests. 1. Subjectivity. Field sobriety tests are conducted by law enforcement officers, and their interpretation of the results can be influenced by various factors, including their training, bias, and personal judgment. This subjectivity can lead to false positives, where sober individuals may appear impaired or fail the test due to nervousness or other factors. 2. Inaccuracy. Field sobriety tests have inherent limitations, and even individuals who are not under the influence of alcohol or drugs can perform poorly on these tests. Medical conditions, physical limitations, and environmental factors can all impact test results. 3. Lack of standardization. While there are standardized field sobriety tests, not all officers administer them correctly or adhere to the established procedures. This lack of consistency can further undermine the reliability of the test. 4. Incriminating evidence. Field sobriety tests provide evidence that can be used against the individual in court. If a person fails the test, it can be used to support probable cause for an arrest or to strengthen the prosecution's case. 5. Legal obligations. In some jurisdictions, there may be no legal requirement for drivers to submit to field sobriety tests. Drivers may only be obligated to perform a breathalyzer or chemical test if they are lawfully arrested on suspicion of DUI, driving under the influence. 6. Legal strategy. By refusing the field sobriety tests, lawyers can potentially challenge the validity of the arrest or the evidence presented against their client in court. This can be part of a broader defense strategy to create reasonable doubt or suppress evidence in the case. It is important to note that laws and regulations regarding field sobriety tests vary by jurisdiction, and the consequences of refusing these tests may also differ. Some places impose penalties for refusing tests, such as automatic license suspension or other administrative consequences. If you find yourself in a situation where you may be asked to take a field sobriety test, it is essential to consult with a qualified attorney who can advise you on the best course of action based on the specific laws and regulations in your area. And remember, subscribing is absolutely free and it only takes a single click. Hit that subscribe button, join our community, and let's embark on this thrilling historical adventure together.